So I wasn't sure what to do, so I went down and got some drops from the chemist and put them in.
Meet Sam. He came in today saying his ears feel blocked and his hearing was down.
It's quite frustrating.
When we looked inside, we found his ear canals were completely blocked with wax. This is Josie, our friendly audiologist and earwax removal specialist.
Hi.
She really enjoys helping people hear and feel their best. She began with a gentle ear lavage, sometimes called ear irrigation. Instead of forcing water in like old syringing, this technique uses 3 fine jets that create a soft scooping action, much safer and more comfortable. Next, Josie uses precision microsuctioning. With a bright headlamp and magnification, she carefully cleared away the remaining wax using the gentle suctioning. And the result? Clear ears, no discomfort, and an immediate improvement in hearing. If you're struggling with blocked ears or think earwax might be affecting your hearing, book an appointment with Harmony Hearing. We'd love to help you hear clearly again.